Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm out just check or making a video for you guys because I was trying to sell the 98 Celica. I have too many cars. This one I was thinking about selling. One light bulb was not working. That was a big problem for someone, so I'm thinking, okay, just let me make a video about that so they don't have to stress about that. Let's see, just take it out of gear and just start it up. This one is 98 model that have gone on the 176,000 kilometers. Then I have to see which light it was that was the problem. We hear it flashing very fast there. Could seems like one of the flashlights. The front light was the problem, not the back. That one. You hear it? The other side is okay. Yeah, so it's one light bulb in the front. It's just a simple Phillips screw X. Take out. It's just an ordinary bulb, not the orange one. That make it easier for me. Yeah, I was looking at the bulb. You can see the thread, and it seems to be okay. It was some dirt on the bottom contact, so I'm just clean up the bulb and then just put in this on seal. Maybe this was not a ruined bulb. This could be completely just bad connection. You see, it was the bad connector. Right away now when I get it in and start it up, it you see, it's just it was bad connector in the bottom here. So the light bulb was okay. Just put it in again. Yeah. And you have this system going in. There. And then it's just screw it back in. Have the screwdriver here. So it wasn't even a bad bulb, it was just a little bad connection. Yeah. Then just go in again and yeah, very simple. Then all the bulbs on this car should be working. some different rusty and things. That could be fixed. A lot of the rust on brake things can be fixed by dipping brake disc in lemon acid. And before I was looking more, it was good that I was just checking up that bulb. Cleaned up the connector on the back side of the bulb, and it was working. Yeah. But I'm going to put in the information of name and things for the bulb was supposed to be there, so we have it in the video. But you see, very, very, very simple to change bulb on the flasher signaling light in the front of those Celicas, and a lot of other cars. A lot of cars have only one Phillips screw, X screw, and then you just take it out carefully, not tear out the wire and things, and it's no problem. Yeah. Please come back, please start following the channel. I have some more videos about this car. I'm not sure if it's going to be sold now or not. I'm kind of have to think a little more, because I like it a lot. It's too stupid to just give it away. Maybe I could fix it myself. We don't know when the timing belt is changed, so that is a job that had to be done. I can do it myself. It's not a very, very difficult job. Yeah, we have to think. What do you think? Please write some comments, and yeah, start follow the channel, put a like. Thank you. Welcome back.